Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Qingong Machinery. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce the gas cylinder short blasting machine. This machine, also called the Diabolo short blasting machine, that can blast the gas cylinder and the steel pipe, because they use the Diabolo as the roller conveyor to transport the workpieces into the blasting chamber. This machine with 3-unit blast turbines, and the blast speed can reach 2 meters per minute. Because the height of the workshop in the customer site is 3.5 meters, this machine the height is 3.3 meters, and with the 400 millimeter foundation pit. And we change the shape of the dust collector just want to meet the height of the customer's workshop. You know, short blasting machine is non-standard machine. All the parts can according to the customer need and your workshop condition to design. So please let me know if you have this inquiry. Bye, see you next time.